Cash and debit lang.
Yeah, it's small. Alright, so you want one of these and one of these?
Yeah.
Alright, how many people do you have here? Here's your receipt.
Debit lang.
Good debit and cash.
Debit and cash lang.
Oh, you're making them right now? Okay, never mind. So you wanted, what was it you want again?
Next over here.
Thank you, Kat.
Just give me 11. Hi, how are you guys today? She wants to buy a small basket.
Ayan na ba ito? Ito na, titagin trans. Meron sila. Nagaduha tayo matikatay.
When you're picking, okay, be very careful. Be nice to the trees. Don't break branches or rip the leaves. The branches grow next to your cherries. When you're exiting, we just ask to have a look inside backpacks and things, just because unfortunately sometimes we do find people hiding cherries. So make sure all the cherries go in the basket. In terms of how full you can pick your basket, just make sure you can still carry it by the handle. As long as cherries aren't spilling out, or like you don't have to do this, like make sure you can carry it. If you have to do this, it's too full. Okay? There's a tractor ride. It'll pick you up at the red tent.
Okay,
All
thank
right,
you.
enjoy. You're very welcome.
Manitay pag hindi mo ako mahagilap.
Sasakay, guys.
Baby pa ako. Ay, ang ganun ba?
Huwag mong lagyan yung bag nyo. I-check daw nila mamaya.
Check guys. Kahit malaki pala yung dalam.
Dapat yung mga matataba sa harap ka lang para mabalan. Doon talaga sila. Ate kayo. Hindi ba kayo makasakay sila oh? Ay, anak na ni Arte ni oh.
Andun si Zach.
Anak mo na. Anak ko. Nakawakan niya.
Oh, traktor sa atin.
Oh, ako yun. Gilapag. Mayat kami kiko ang anay plano ba kayo matuloy.
Che, may pasok ka sa Friday?
Lahat punta tayo sa lahat ng seller.
Ikaw na naman ang nauna.
Yun, diba silver sa Friday?
Wala. May pagpalit ka na.
Gawin mo yung ano niya. Gawin ko yung D-off niya.
Yeah.
Gawin mo yung sun.
Doon kayo sa pinakalikod-likod, baka marami din.
Kaya nga, dito lang tayo.
Wow, yung isang ongsti na kasama. Tingnan natin yung ano nakuha. Malapit na pa no. Halfway na. Pinakain din sa akin. Tingnan lang sa'yo ma. Wala pa yan. Okay na.
Sa isang puno ka lang pala, marami din pa.
Tapos pinakalikod-likod. Malapit. Tape din. Ang ginagawa.
Only cherry. Alam.
Kaya tamad
Kaya
kasi ako eh.
mag-asin tayo mamaya.
Sira na nga eh.
O yung asin na saan? Iniwan mo?
Hindi na.
Cherry.
Hintay sa dulo oh. Wala na, naubos na dito. Kaano? At pikin kayo dalam jiwa na. Nak, at pikin ka na dalam jiwa na. Itong kayo na, kung makamabulok ka dagos.
What?
Kumo na yun. Magpikin ka, dalam mo ng iyang ano.
Ayoko.
Kaya hindi mabulok. Matagal ang buhay niya. Yan, yung tungkay niya ba?
Kami yung asin. Para bang ano?
Buti pa talaga si Maribel speaking ng cherry. Mabilis lang yan makagalbi. Talaga?
Diyan kayo.
No, grabe siya oh.
Puno na. Puno na, puno na. Puno na.
Ikaw siguro, maubos.
Ano yung dalawa?
Right there. Appreciate it. Awesome, thank you. You're good. Thank you. Yeah, you guys did all good. Yeah. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Have a nice day.